Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can create a page border in your documents on LibreOffice Writer. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your document on LibreOffice Writer, and what you want to do is right click into any of your pages, select page style from the drop down menu. Here navigate to the border tab in your page style settings, and here to the right you may go for example one of these presets, like no border, all four borders, top and bottom, left and right, and you will see the preview below. I will go with all four borders. Next, customize the line appearance, for example the line style like dotted line, standard, solid line, dashed line, and some other options here. Choose the line color as well as the thickness. So let us find out how an extra thick border would look like this. Next, click into apply to apply these changes, select OK, and you will see the result here applied to your documents pages. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.